Hey everyone, welcome to this video demonstration on how to use Configurator 360, a cloud-based engineer-to-order software made by Autodesk. Configurator 360 provides Inventor users the ability to upload models and apply a form that colleagues and customers can use to create their own version of the design. Configurator 360 is a web-enabled software. You can begin by logging into the website configurator360.autodesk.com. In here, you will either create a new 360 login, or in my case, I'll use an existing one. And when you log in for the first time, you'll notice that Autodesk is offering a special offer trial for 90 days. Once you're logged in, you'll see a series of tabs that enable you to view existing designs and change settings for company information and logo, downloadable files for your customers, permissions, as well as settings for requested quotes. Let's begin by creating a new design in Inventor. The model that I'm creating is going to be a simple block with a hole in it. I may create a couple of other features that show a simplified version of the model for the customer to download. You can create a similar model if you'd like, or use an existing model that you've already created. And keep in mind that the way that you apply dimensions is important, as they're going to be used to change the model in Configurator 360. The same also holds true for your approach to the features that you create. For example, if you wish for the hole to be turned on or off, it's important that the hole is created as a separate feature and not part of the base extrusion. The next couple of features that I'm creating are going to be used for a detailed or simplified version of the part. If this part is going to be used in a large assembly, then my customer may not need all the detailed features that will weigh the assembly down. And that's an option that I'll provide in the form. Now that the part is complete, we can save it and begin deciding what dimensions are configurable. Start by accessing Parameters in the Manage tab. This is a simple matter of renaming the dimensions that we want to use, and the rest we can just leave alone. These values can be entered in directly or by creating a list of options. And creating a list of options is key to ensuring that our customers are not entering in values that are impossible or difficult to manufacture. You not only have the ability to configure dimensions, you can also change the appearance of the model. Here we'll create a pull down with a few options for colors. And finally, we'll add two options for turning on and off features for the hole, and whether the customer wants detailed or simplified representations of the model. Next, we'll turn on the iLogic browser to create a few rules. The first rule that I'm making is an easy one. Here, the color of the model will simply be what we choose from the form. You'll see a list of existing properties to choose from, including part color. Next, we need a rule for the hole. This is going to be an if-then-else logic statement. If the hole equals true or checked, then right-click on the feature to capture its current state and clean up some of the text. We only need the line for the state of the feature. Else, we'll copy and paste that line down. The hole feature equals false, or in other words, suppress, if the checkbox is turned off. Let's copy and paste that statement for the fillets and the shell. If the simplified checkbox is turned on or true, then we want the features to be false, or in other words, suppressed. And that goes for fillet 1, fillet 2, and the shell feature. Then we can copy and paste that under else and make sure those show as true for when the checkbox is turned off. Now we can test the design before uploading it to Configurator 360. Go back to Parameters. I'll change some of the values by directly entering in new numbers or using the pull-down. Down at the bottom, we have pull-downs for the color, the whole feature, and the simplified version of the part. Everything seems to be working. Let's save the model and upload it. Back in Configurator 360, we'll click on New Design, enter a name. You have the ability to upload a part or an assembly. Choose the part and upload it. There's a link to our block, and that link can be sent to anyone as long as they have permission to view it. And now they have the ability to configure their own design using the form on the left. You'll notice the preview window updates automatically with each change. Here we'll make some changes to the size of the part. Change the color to yellow. Turn off the hole. Show the simplified version. Turn the hole back on. And down at the bottom, you will see all the options for export. And once again, availability is up to you, the designer. And finally, the ability to request a quote. Customers can fill out a form and you'll receive an email notification. And all quotes are also available on the main page. And this concludes this tutorial. Enjoy using Autodesk Configurator 360. Thank you for watching and have a great day.